Hi, this is Joe from WHR Marketing, and today we're going to focus on the AMZScout Pro Extension. Okay, so if you head over to Amazon, okay, and you choose any item, so this was something I was looking at earlier, so what do we put in? Should we put kitchen knife set with block? Okay, so if we type in a product on Amazon, this will also work if you go to the bestsellers page on Amazon. So if you don't have a specific type of product idea in mind, you can go to bestsellers, you can go to categories, and this extension will work for all of them. So this is one of the best features of AMZScout and one of the best Amazon FBA tools. AMZScout, here we go. So now we're on the kitchen knife set with block page. If we click the AMZScout Pro Extension here, or you can press it here as well, then that should start to load the tool. Here we go. Right, already I can see before this has loaded, it's got a very high niche score, so it's got an 8 out of 10 for the niche score. Okay, and then you're going to get lots of items on this page with the specific product score. So I'll go through all these categories of why the AMZScout Pro Extension tool is so amazing. Okay, right, if you look at this, so an 8 out of 10, so the profits are very high in this niche. Okay, so the price ranges from $15 to $40, easy to make profits, easy to sell in large quantities, and the margins on these profits is very high. Okay, it's also a new niche, which means the demand has a chance to grow, and you will be one of the first sellers if you're stocking these types of products. High sales, there's a real high chance everyone needs kitchen knives. Then you've got this side, so you've got all the ticks, or sorry, thumbs up, and all the thumbs down. So all of these are thumbs up, including the yellow one here, and there's only one thumbs down. So it's an unsaturated niche. There's very few Amazon sellers selling these products. Very low top brand competition, so you won't be fighting the big boys. It's got a low quality listing score. So if you check through some of the sellers of these products, they haven't optimized their listings, which we'll show you how to do in a sec, or we'll show you what to focus on. Okay, with regards to low quality listings, we at WHR Marketing, we offer SEO-friendly e-commerce product description writing. So we've done this for lots of Amazon sellers. Okay, so we write the descriptions for them. They're all optimized to be SEO-friendly, and they will be optimized to rank your product right near the top. Okay, so I'll leave that in the description below, and then we'll go back to our AMZ Pro Extension review. Okay, it's not monopolistic, so you won't compete with many strong sellers, and very few reviews. This is good. Very few reviews will be required to get sales. So if you had if you had 5 to 10 reviews of this product, that should get you right near the top of the listings. It should give you authority, and you'll be able to sell lots. Okay, here's the only downside. Okay, the products have a high average rating, which means it will be difficult to make a better quality product. Okay, so that's the only thing you'd have to be mindful with regards to this niche. Okay, now if we go to individual items, so if you look at the way these items are set out within this niche, here is a key score from the AMZScout Pro Extension. So if I click product score, we'll look for one of the highest ratings. So up here, if I just click, this is a 9 out of 10. Okay, so if we click this item here, why is it a 9 out of 10? You have a great margin with this product. You'll be able to get decent sales even with a low review count. The listing is average quality, and again I'll show you why it is. So you can make a better listing either by yourself, or you can get us to do that for you, and there is a big revenue opportunity. So we'll focus in on this product just to show you how AMZScout works for finding these winning products and then you'll need to source them yourself, either by Alibaba or your own sourcing supplier. So if you look here, one of the reasons why this would have scored high is because there's only one other seller on Amazon. Okay, and that I'm going to link back just before I forget. If we look at saturation score as well, okay, if this is the lower the score of saturation, the better, which is why it's green. So 0 sellers that are using AMZScout this month have searched for this niche, okay, which is really good, because that means there's not a lot of people who are using top tools like AMZScout, okay, to find this niche. Okay, so if you get these products stocked, there's a high chance you'll have low competition. So if you look here, okay, the price of this product was £53 almost, okay, and then the net profit was £40. That's a huge profit margin again, which will be one of the reasons why it's scoring so high in the product score. Okay, Amazon FBA fees would only account to $12.23, okay, which is why this is the net profit. Look at those high margins. Estimated sales this month has been 204, so you can make nearly £10,000, okay, or that person, as here we go, there's only one seller, has been making nearly £10,000 on this product. The number of reviews, look at that, there's only 38, so 38 reviews, and this person is making nearly £10,000 with 38 reviews on this product only. Amazing. And again, we can see here the rating of this product is very high, and the listing quality score is quite high, and this is what I want to show you. Okay, so this is how AMZScout determine a listing rating and what you'll need to focus on to make it better. So the name length will have to be under 200 characters. The brand name will have to be under 100 characters. You can see the tick. So this person, okay, is optimizing most of their things, but we can see the X, which we'll come to in a minute. The bullet count they've got on their listing have over 4 bullet points. Okay, the rating, as we said, was 4.7, so it's above 4. Number of reviews is over 14, so it wasn't many, it was 38, wasn't it? The seller is FBA, which means Prime users can take advantage of that. They just, obviously, if you're a Prime user, you want something that can come quickly from Amazon's warehouse. Okay, we'll leave the X for a sec. And the image count, they have more than 5 images. So all of those things we've just spoken about there is what you need to do to optimize your listing. However, this person has left out one key area. The description length is below 1,000 words. So if you were to make a better listing, if you were to stock such product, you would look at their listing, you would see why they've ticked all those boxes there, but the description length, you will make it above 1,000 words and it will be relevant, which is why, again, like I said, if you don't know how to, then just contact us. I'll leave this in the description below, and you can use our SEO-friendly e-commerce product description writing service. Okay, once you've found that product, okay, and we've just talked about why it's so good, then you tick it, you put a star on it, and that will add it to your favorites. But if we click here, okay, add to tracker, all these tools are amazing. So we can check the profit calculator. So here we can see all the greens. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see those reds at the end, okay, when it comes to this profit. So there's a huge profit to be made on such an item. You can check the product history, okay, so the number of sales, the rank and the price. So I'll go past that. Get keywords. This is, oh, we didn't find any keywords, okay. Right, that's something we'll have to look into there. You can find the product on Alibaba or Google, or if you're going to your supplier, give them the ASIN, okay, and they should be able to find that. But if we click on find on Alibaba, let's see if it comes up. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes you have to find it yourself. Again, you'll be able to find that once you look through all of these, okay, and then you know how to do that. You'll be able to contact the sellers the suppliers, sorry, negotiate a price, check the reviews out on those items, okay, and make the product better if you can, okay. So tell the supplier what you want to be made better, okay. And like I said, this is a niche where there's lots of profit in. We've shown you how to find items within that niche which has high profit margins. We can see there's only one seller, so you'll be competing with only one other person, which is amazing. Huge profit margins here, okay. And look at the percentages there. Estimated revenue nearly 10 grand a month with only 38 reviews, which is insane, okay. So that's the end of this AMZ Pro Extension review. Before I go, if you prefer reading blogs rather than watching videos, we've got our AMZScout review on our website. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below. And brilliantly, we've negotiated a price with AMZScout for our audience, so you'll be able to save a lot of money if you use our link in the description below. You're going to be saving $844 if you get the Amazon seller bundle, which includes all of the tools that I'll be going through in the AMZScout series of videos that I'll be producing, or you can just go for the Pro Extension, okay. I recommend the Amazon sellers bundle. There's so much value in this, and like I said, that's up to you. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and the comment as always for this AMZScout series is, what is the best Amazon FBA tool you've used? If you haven't, just say I haven't used any yet. And the second question, if you can answer, if you have used one, what is the highest profit, or the products that you've used to make the highest profit? I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.